My lawn's starting to look a little brown, a little hungry. I want to see how green I can get this. What is the deepest, darkest green we can make this lawn? Let's go. Now it's looking okay, but it's actually starting to look a little bit hungry now. It's looking like it's ready for a good feed. Paler grass. We need to get some fertiliser on. Yeah, it's not looking too bad, but it could certainly be looking a lot better than what it is. So let's get into what we're going to do today. So first thing we need to do is give it a cut, give it a tidy up, and then we'll start putting some products on and see how much greener we can actually get it. That's not looking too bad, but I know that we can do better. Now, first thing I'm going to put on fertiliser. It's a little bit dusty this, so I'm wearing a dust mask. So what we're going to do, we're going to put some emerald green in, which has got everything what it needs to really give it a good boost. And then once we've applied this, we're going to put some pure nitrogen on. So it's between 4 and 10 mil per square metre. There's 500 mil in here, which would cover 50 square metres, and mine's about 70, so I'm just going to put the whole thing in. So now we've simply got to apply this mixture onto the lawn, and we do it as evenly as we can, so we can go over 2 or 3 times in different directions, unless you know exactly how much water it takes to get onto your lawn and use it all up. It's about 4 litres on mine. I think I've got about 5.5 in there, so we'll see how it goes. We might get across a couple of times. Now I'm using a battery powered sprayer from Flowzone. Now unfortunately the battery needs a good charge, so I'm going to transfer it into a spray I've already got. More than one way to do it. Now the spray width is around just over 1 metre. I think it's 1.2. And it's approximately the width of 2 mower widths, 2 stripes. Now, it won't harm if you overlap a little bit. So what we've done is the granular fertiliser will give a controlled release of food and nutrition to the lawn over the coming weeks. The liquid nitrogen will give a very rapid green up, and you can sometimes see results in as little as 24 hours. Now the emerald green is a tonic which contains a few different ingredients which I've put together over the years and found it to be extremely beneficial for lawns, and I've had a lot of success with it, bringing lawns back which are looking very tired and stressed. As long as you water, it will bring your lawn back in as little as a week or two. So the grass has got a lot of what it needs now. Food, nutrition, everything in the right balance. The only other thing missing is water, which obviously I'll be giving. So we'll give it a quick watering in now. And then the last thing I want to do is just put a little bit of iron onto the lawn, because it's good for a bit of an instant fast green up. So we're going to get some of that on now. So you can use any iron sulfate, just follow the instructions on the pack. I'm actually going to use some Pro Clean iron sulfate there. And for greening up, it says on the back 250 ml with 5 litres of water covers 50 square metres. Now mine's 70, so we want just slightly more than that. Now 250 ml is something like a very small teacup. You can get little measuring cups. Do you know, I think that lawn's looking pretty good. Pretty good. So I'm just going to approximate 250 ml. Probably enough left for one more application in a few weeks' time. A quick mix, and we'll get this applied on. Now with iron, you don't want it going on your hard surfaces. If you do, just rinse it off straight away. Now with this one, I'm going to spray it on and then leave it. There's no watering in at all. Now you should overlap with this. We're trying to achieve a nice dark green. That is the aim of what we're doing today. As dark a green as possible. And what I'll do, I will give you an update on how this looks in 24 hours. Like I say, this can stain carpets, hard surfaces, etc. And so if you get it onto a hard surface, like a patio or a path, just simply rinse it off before it dries. Now, of course, you walk in on it, and it's going to be on the bottom of your shoes, or your wellies, or your boots, whatever you're wearing. And I'm going to show you what we do. So we come up to the corner and we leave a square, okay? We step onto that square, we wipe our feet, and then we step off, and then we simply spray that square. And that is it. That is it. Done and dusted. So I'm going to show you an update. The next thing you see will be 24 hours from now. There you go, all done, all dusted, 72 hours. No doubt in the next few days it'll green up even more. Just keep mowing, keep watering. Remember, we've put granular fertiliser on, we've put a liquid high nitrogen fertiliser on, we've put some emerald green on, and we've put a bit of iron sulfate on as well. So enjoy. It's your lawn, you make of it what you can. Whatever you can add on is going to enhance it. Don't forget, smash that subscribe button, and we'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching. See you again.